Hello children, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have started second unit yesterday, a gift of chappals. In that we saw how Mrudu along with her grandma goes to her aunt's home where whose name is Rukumani. She noticed a pair of black chappals there which were dusty, which were kept there. Then Ravi takes Mrudu straight away to backyard where kitten was kept secretly. Then we saw Meena and Ravi share their views regarding that kitten. Meena says it was found at the gate and it was a top secret that they had a kitten in their backyard. And it was because Pati means grandma would never like it. Ravi says further it was very difficult to bring a little milk from kitchen. Pati saw suspiciously when he brings little milk. So the children now think of some other way to feed that kitten whose name is Mahendra Verma or Mahendra Verma Pallava Ponai. That is Yampi Ponai in short. Then Ravi explains about outward appearance of the cat, external appearance of the cat, and he asks question to Mrudu whether she knows the symbol of Pallava dynasty, Pallava king or not. And as a reply, what happens or what reply gives Mrudu, we will see now. As a reply, Mrudu giggled, means she laughed. Think I am joking? Well, just wait. I'll show you sometime. It's a clear you don't know a thing about history. Haven't been to Mahabalipuram? Have you? He said mysteriously. Well, when our class went to Mahabalipuram, I saw a statue of his tathas, etc. Fact is, Mahendran here is descended from that very same ancient cat, a close relative, scientifically speaking, of none other than the lion, the Pallava lion, emblem of Pallava dynasty. Ravi went on walking around a bitterberry bush, waving a twig up and down, his eyes sparkling. This cat is a descendant of none other than the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat, and if I may just remind you, they worshipped cats in ancient Egypt. Ravi explains further. He relates this little kitten with or to the Pallava dynasty. And he says that when his class went to Mahabalipuram, he saw a statue of lion, and he says that this little kitten was descended from this lion, emblem of Pallava dynasty. He says lion is the emblem of Pallava dynasty. Then Ravi went on walking around a bitter berry bush. He waves a twig up and down. Eyes were sparkling. Then this cat, he says, a descendant of none other than the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat. And he also says that cats worshipped in ancient Egypt. How he loved the sound of his own voice. Meena and Mrudu exchanged looks. Meena and Mrudu, they exchanged their glances and said that Ravi loved his own voice. Then, what does that have to do with anything? Mrudu demanded. Hmm, I am telling you, this cat is descended from the ancient cat god. No, goddess Bastet. Yeah, that's it. So, here, see, Ravi says that this cat was descended from ancient cat god Bastet. Underline this one word. Ravi again explains, well, one of the descendants of that cat goddess was a stowaway in one of the Pallava ships, and his descendant was the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat, whose descendant is Ravi says one of the descendant of that cat goddess came secretly in a Pallava ship in a Pallava kingdom, and his descendant was the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat, and the descendant of Mahabalipuram Rishi cat was the this one little kitten MP Ponai. Ravi explains like this, and he gives the expression whoop, eek, like that. He shrieked, very pleased with himself. Underline this one word, shrieked, whoop. Whoop means a loud cry of joy or excitement. And he makes a sound like eek. Shrieked means to say something loudly in a high voice. Mahendran looked up, alarmed. He had just been sharpening his claws on the edge of the coconut shell. When Ravi made something this kind of sound, Mahendran looked up. He was alarmed after hearing this sound. But worse than Ravi's awful whoop eek was a screech. There immediately after that there was another one sound or voice or noise I can say. It was very awful, very bad and unpleasant. And from the window it was. And what a weird sound. Weird means strange or unusual. If Mrudu was startled, MP Ponai was frightened out of his wits, hair standing on end. He bounced up and scurried towards a bamboo tray of red chilies that had been set out to dry. Trying to hide beneath it, he tipped a few chilies over himself. Meow! He howled miserably. Children, here there are a number of difficult words. I'll explain. See, Ravi made one strange sound. Just because of that, this little kitten was alarmed. Then, immediately after that, there was another one awful sound. It was coming through window, and because of that sound, even Mrudu also startled, scared. MP Ponai, that is kitten, was frightened, and out of it weeds his hair standing. He bounced up, goes towards a bamboo tray where red chilies were kept, set out to dry, and he tried to hide himself beneath it. He tipped a few chilies over himself, and meow, meow, he howled. Howled means to make a long, loud sound. The screeching went on and on. What's that noise? Said Mrudu. Mrudu asked, what's this sound? What's this noise? Then Ravi answered, see, that's Lali learning to play the violin, grunted Ravi. Grunted means to make a short, low sound in the throat. That sound was of the violin. Okay. Then she will never learn a thing. The music master just goes on playing like a train whizzing on and on while Lali is all the time derailing, going completely off track. Ravi says that Lali never learns a thing neatly. Music master plays music like a train whizzing. Whizzing means to move very quickly. Where Lali all the time moving completely out of the track, off the track. Derailing means to cause a train to come off a railway track. So this is the end of the part 1. Difficult words I will share it now. If you have any doubt you can ask me.